Hey friends, it's Kaylee here, and I just wanted to make a really quick video to show you super fast how I clean my makeup brushes. This is a really easy and simple way to do them. All you're gonna need is this brush cleaner pad. You can get them from anywhere, as well as some antibacterial soap. All you do is just squirt some soap onto the brush cleaning pad and basically gently rub your brush in there so you lather it all up and get it all nice and clean, and then you rinse. If you have any brushes that have any liquid product in it, like maybe some concealer like this brush has, you can lather it up with your fingers first and then clean it up with the brush pad to get all the excess gunk out. Wash, rinse, and repeat with all your other brushes, and that's it. So I know this is super fast and super quick, but a lot of people have been asking me lately how I wash my makeup brushes, so I wanted to make just a super quick video to hopefully explain it well enough to you. It's probably not perfect, but it gets the job done, as I am not a makeup artist and I only do makeup on myself. So yeah, catch you on the flip side, my dudes. Have a nice rest of your week.